This is incredible, Ethan. The harvest looks amazing. Tell us about the yield this season.
It's the best we've seen in years, Ava. We're expecting a bumper crop.
All right, bring the trailer alongside. We're running full capacity right now.
Welcome to Coffee Hills. We are so proud of the work we do here, bringing the best coffee to the world. Look at these beautiful cherries. We are having such a great harvest this year. The quality is amazing.
Look at these amazing tomatoes, everyone. I want to show you the ripest ones right here. Don't tell anyone, but I think this is the best batch yet.
This batch looks perfect.
Agreed. Moving to section 4 now.
Stack it right here. All right, next one coming through. Watch the corner, secure the load.
$10 por estos mangos, son muy dulces.
Ay, qué caro. Te doy 7 por 2.
Venga, aproveche la oferta.
Look at how ripe this is. That is incredibly sweet. Definitely the best one yet. So what do you think of the new market layout?
Oh, it's fantastic. Much easier to navigate.
You heard it here first, folks.